Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add an image to your project on Canva. So let's get started. So what you want to do guys is head over to Canva, log into your account and click on that create a design button in the top left corner. After that, select your design category. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go with a presentation, let's say with a resolution of 16:9. So let me click on that really quickly. And now in this case here, we got, for example, pages of the given presentation. Now you can add more pages by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Anyway, so let's skip that. What you want to do guys to add images and photos to your project is simply click on uploads here to the left on the left sidebar and select images. And here at the top you see that upload files button. So click on it. Next, locate the image or photo on your device, like on your computer or on your mobile device, upload it. And that's basically it. Now you can add the image from your library to your project here to the right by drag and dropping it, customize it, edit it, adjust its position and size, and so on and so forth, guys. So super simple as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.